Okay, so we finally got in, we got the keys, we got the garage door opener, we got the cars all together, and we are done with phase 1 of construction at the dealership. This is what it looks like. Here's the 3 cars together, which it's been many months since they've been united. What we got going on is about 3,500, 3,550, I should know, square feet. 2 giant garage doors, which makes it easy for pulling in. I mean, the amount of space in here is crazy. If you want to go down to that end, I'll stand at this end, and I'll wait for you.
Yeah, that was some NPC stuff going on.
Play like football in here, pretty much. Indoor ice hockey or something, but actually, I don't know if I'm like but yeah, I really love the natural lighting here. There's a tower built in. That'll be my office space at some point, and where I do like live streaming and editing and work and stuff. So if you want, follow me. I'll go show you up there, and then we'll look at the cars together. This would be like a, like a lounge area if a car is in here. But think of like a secretary office desk, seating, waiting areas like vending machine, snacks and coffee.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah, apparently. And then up here is my favorite side of it, but this would be like my desk, office space, workspace. I'm thinking I'll have a bar here for the core, arcade machines, a TV, nice big couch. So office / waiting area part 2. And then in this corner with the nice views, I'll probably have a huge desk where we can do like paperwork and stuff. I'll have a bunch of computers, do a bunch of editing, work, filming, car stuff. I like the view. It's developing over time, so in the summer, I'm sure those buildings will be done, and there's a ton of crop space over this way, so good privacy. And then outside, which we'll go outside momentarily later, but there's spots for more cars if I want them to sit outside. But my goal is to fit. Okay, now let's look at the cars from up here. It's a pretty cool view, especially once I replace this railing and whatnot. But the 2 RollsStangs take up a little more space than a normal car. So keep that in mind, but I'm hoping to get at least 6 to 10 cars in here at some point. Probably not right off the bat, but long term that's the goal. So we'll go back downstairs. That's pretty much it for this part of the building. Obviously I have tons of security, rooftop sniper in case somebody comes up while I'm not here. This will be my ADA compliant, I think it's ADA compliant bathroom. Nothing too special, but little storage shed. Here's the Hellcat that's for sale. We'll do a little walk around, fun video of that. Off camera, which we already did. Another car could theoretically go here, but I've only got 3 right now. It is what it is. Here's the 2 big garage doors, which are super nice for getting in and out. On this side will probably pretty much just be room for 2 or 3 cars, depending how I put them in here. Probably some storage for other stuff. Then we got the second upstairs, which will probably be locked off in the personal area. Eventually, I'd like this to be sort of like a captain's quarters, but in the beginning, it'll probably be like a content warehouse, home gym. I'm planning on doing gym fitness content here, so gym, cars, gaming. This is pretty much a content warehouse if you divide it up into 3 spots, and then obviously you gotta do business too. But yeah, on this side, I'll do like not a full gym setup, but we'll have a bunch of machines and weights and mats and stuff. We'll get a bunch of guys in here. We'll start doing lifting content, having fun. It'll probably be a little shop as well. Like I'm thinking like merch, random shit like that. So yeah, this part's definitely a work in progress, but catch my breath for a second. But yeah, so obviously it's very unfinished. We got to do mudding and taping on the walls, painting, finishing the flooring, finishing the railings. It's gonna take a little bit of time depending on how fast I get that done, but I'm just really happy to get all the 3 cars in here for now and get the content going again, which is what we're doing today. But yeah, let's go look at the cars again. If you want, you can cut it there.